Hello, I will show you how to clean your oven door. Yeah, this oven door. I will show you how to do it today while I'm cooking beef broccoli. Okay, so we need to remove this with a screwdriver, flat-headed screwdriver, like that. Okay, like that. And this one too. You see it? Or it's dark. Like that. You need to move to do it like that. So you can pull out this 30 degree 30 to 45 degrees, and then pull this. I will turn off my camera as I'm gonna do it. I just pull it out. Yeah, you see this? This is the one that I pull out from there. Pull out straight, and then I will lay it flat in here, and then I will remove these screws. It has 1, 2, 3, 6 screws. Yeah, 6 screws there. And we will clean this from the inside, because this is a double pane glass, one in here and one in the other side. Okay, this is how it looks like laying flat in here. Remove those screws. These are the screws. Those 2 screws are on top, and those 4 are below. 2 in the center and 2 below. It's just Phillips. You just need Phillips screwdriver. So after removing those screws, we have 4 screws in here at the bottom to remove. So we can separate the glass, and then we can clean it from inside. Yeah, we need to remove this 4. I will do it. My beef broccoli looks good now. Maybe I need 20 minutes more, and I'll add this broccoli while doing this. So after removing these 4 screws at the bottom, you can lift that from the bottom here. This thing will go free. This is just positioned like this. Nothing hold it. It's just being sandwiched with this piece and that piece. This is maybe the front panel, and that is the back. Yeah, so I have access to clean it, to clean this from here, from inside, and also this. In order to clean this, I thought this is just a 2-pane glass, but this is 3. This is one and another one in here, so I need to remove these screws again to clean up this inside. That one, remove 4, and then 4 screws, and then clean up and then put it back, and then I will clean this also, spray with liquid and water. Liquid and soap and water. Okay, so I just clean this part a little bit. I use a rag with water and soap, and then dry it with rag also and tissue. Looks little bit better, or more better. You can remove this glass. You can remove this glass. I said we need to remove this. You need to remove this 4, but you only need to remove 2. This one and that one, like what I did in here. Just remove the 2 screws, because this 2 is holding the other side. So just remove this one, and then the glass is just sitting in between this. Yeah, this is not aligned, so the glass is sitting in between like that. Sitting in between here. You just need to push it there. This one is under the glass, the other one is on top, same as here. So it will be held by this. You will notice that if you did this, if you do this, yeah, just remove this 2, this and this. You don't need to remove this. So I just remove this piece in here, and then pull out the glass like that, because it is seated in here in between this and the other side. Okay, so I can clean this part and this glass. Okay, I can clean this. This is just like that. Okay. Yeah, that's how you put it in. Like that. It's like sandwich. Like that. Okay. I will clean it now. I'll turn up the camera. So I already installed this glass, but it's a little bit tricky how you will put this back together. You need to do this first. This bracket, screw this not too tight, screw this too not too tight, so it can move a little bit. And this one, after putting this glass there and in there, you need to hook it in here and in here at the same time, then hold it and hold this bracket while pushing it a little bit, so you can put the screw in here. Yeah, it's better if you have somebody to hold it for you. It's not too hard. You can figure it out. It's very transparent now. It's 3 pieces of glass in there. And the other one is there waiting. I will assemble this right now. Okay, I'm done with this project. I put them back together. It's a little bit tricky how you put these hinges. This one and the other one on the other side. Remember these two, this and this, hold the hinge because the hinge is up to there. And this one and the other one, these two are holding the handle, the back. Yeah, so I'll just need to hook up this in there. Okay, thank you. And my broccoli is waiting for me to be eaten. Yeah, thanks. I hope you subscribe. After you hook it up, you need to lock this, push this inside there, that one too. Put it inside so it's locked now, like that. Okay, a lot more better than before. Yeah, looks newer. Okay, thanks.